Let's make an epic grilled ham and cheese in the air fryer, and I'm also going to show you the trick to preventing the bread from flying around. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I have simple videos like this one, so if that's your jam, hit the red subscribe button. You and I can cook together a few times a week. So here I am using some sandwich bread. Use any bread that you typically buy as long as it's fresh, not frozen. I'm gonna place it on my board, and the first thing I'm gonna do is butter the outside of the bread. That's the sides that I wanna get nice and golden and toasty in the air fryer. You could also spray it, but I like mine nice and buttery, so I'm using butter today. Then I'm just going to flip my bread over, and some people like to butter the inside of the bread, put mayo. I'll just give it a quick buttery pass, but that's it. Let me know in the comments what you like to do. For the cheese, you can use whatever cheese that you have around. Cheddar, this is Colby Jack, the singles, they all work. So I'm placing the cheese next to the bread. And here I have some thinly sliced ham. I'm just placing it on a single layer on top of the cheese. But first, make sure to preheat the air fryer at 370 degrees for 5 minutes. Doing this is just like heating your pan. When you place your sandwich in the air fryer, it's already nice and hot. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them on my videos for you. So up next, I'm gonna close my sandwich, and as you can see, both of the outsides are buttered. The trick to holding your sandwich together in the air fryer is to use a toothpick. You're going to want to grab your toothpick, stick it right through the middle, all the way through until you hit your board to hold your sandwich together. In case you're wondering, I stick it diagonally so I get more sandwich as opposed to straight up. It's just what I do. Now that my air fryer is ready to go, I'm going to add my sandwich and place it right in the middle. It's gonna take about 2 minutes to cook the first side, and then I'm going to use some kitchen tongs or a spatula to flip it over, toothpick and all, and cook it for another minute or two on the second side. Now you wanna open it and check that it's nice and golden. And now this is where I'm going to remove that toothpick that was holding my sandwich together, and check it out. The cheese has melted. Let's slice it up. The perfect grilled ham and cheese in your air fryer in about 5 minutes. Let me know in the comments how much you like yours. How did it turn out? See you in the next video.